Hello, Facebook students. Your teacher was called out on her answer by Rodney Johnson. Okay, so I have to correct this because I needed to probably rewrite this because my calculation was wrong. I forgot a step with PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. When you don't have a parentheses, you can go either left or right. I rewrote the problem when it got down to 24 minus 9 plus 4. I wanted to rewrite that. The answer is not 13, it is 19. I wanted to come on and correct that because I guess my quarantine brain forgot something as I was looking when I was calculating. You do not add 9 plus 4 because that minus sign where I have an arrow in front of that negative or minus sign in front of that 9 is married or is stuck to that 9 as the positive is stuck to the 4 for addition. So I showed there minus 9 plus 4. You have to do that first. Or you can do 24 minus 9. You can go either way when you don't have the parentheses. According to the rule, I had to go back and review it myself. I see I got caught with it. But I want to make sure that I come on and correct that, okay? So you can either go left to right or right to left. You're going to get the same answer. So you can do 24 minus 9 plus 4 and you would get 19. So you do not add 9 plus 4 to get 13 and subtract that from 24, okay? I was called on this and I wanted to make sure I correct this. I know the rules, but I guess sometimes if I'm going too fast or I'm looking at it in my brain, I knew what I wanted to say. But sometimes we have to go and look at the rules again, okay? So make sure when you rewrite this problem, you can rewrite it as 24 in parentheses, a negative 9 or a minus 9 plus 4. And then you can rewrite it and say 24 plus a negative 5. And that is going to give you 19. Okay? So I wanted to make sure I came back on because I was called on it by my friend Rodney. Okay, Johnson. Thank you for catching that. It's good that people are watching and going through it with me. So sometimes some of us, we make mistakes. So if I make a mistake, I always tell my students, you go through it with me. Make sure, because we should know these rules for order of operations. Whatever it is, you need to make sure you know it, okay? So if you were to look up the rule, as in my book, I'm going to kind of point to it. I'm going to bring my phone over to my math book. And it says here, if you can see it, evaluate exponential expressions before multiplying. You want to do the exponential expression first. Multiplication, addition and subtraction from left to right. If you have a, exponent or division in the problem, I changed mine a little bit. Okay, so if you are make sure you erase, it's not 13 on the first problem. It is 19 because I missed the negative. Let me go back. I want to kind of zoom in where it says 24 minus 9 plus 4. You can rewrite that and say negative 9 plus 4 is a negative 5. And when you rewrite it, it looks like this. 24 plus, you can put it in parentheses, minus 9 plus 4, okay? And as the rule says, my phone is going in and out. As the rule says, left to right, 24 plus a negative 5 is 19, okay? And if you did 24 minus 9, When you get that answer plus 4, and then you would get 19. All right, so my calculation was off, and I didn't, I just kind of made up my problem. I wanted to go over this order of operations, so I should have done mine first. As I told students, always have your pen, pencil, or paper and calculator, and you want to go step by step and write it out so you can see it. All right, so just want to say I apologize about that, and this is the right way. Okay, thank you, Rodney. Thank you for making sure I correct that. All right, peace out, my students, and we will review more. But next time, I'm going to do it on paper first, okay, to make sure I don't give you all the wrong answer. All right, peace out, stay healthy and safe. All right.